pitoy. No. Tuy na pipitoy. You're not. Oh.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Pancake galore. So much, guys, and then he made apple one, and I don't like apple.
Try.
I'm gonna make my own pancake.
Try it.
Guys, this is my birthday cake.
Try it.
This is my.
Come on, try it. I'll make you play with. If you don't like it.
No, I'm gonna make.
Try it, please. Scotch.
Scotch. No, Miss Scotch.
What do you mean now?
Did you let the dog out?
I let them out earlier.
It's gonna be ugly dito.
I think today is supposed to get nicer.
Okay, guys. Next week, guys, I'm gonna do gardening, and Tommy hit already because it's already gonna be
81.
You said 70, 75.
And then 81 next day.
It's gonna be really nice
And then it's
gardening,
going to go
guys.
down again.
And hopefully we can find mulch, on sale. I'm editing video for today, guys, and I still have
You know what mulch does?
the grass won't grow.
You know why?
Why?
Keeps the sun out of it. It lets the water in and keeps the sun out.
The sun out. What is sun out? I want the sun out.
Well, because if the weeds get sun, they grow.
Okay.
But you need to
They
get
will
water.
die
You need
because
water to
of-
get in the ground, otherwise the plants will die.
Yeah.
So you can't just put
No,
them
there's
on everything.
there's two reasons, I think, to not the grass grow,
Yeah.
and then to make the garden beauty.
It has all rocks come jumping backwards.
Of course, because you know what?
She's bothering somebody.
Yeah, Dimples. Oh, Hubson. It's Hubson. Dimples is in the other side. Hubs right there.
She came flying backwards.
Yeah, that's what she gets. I saw her like back up, jumping back.
She's a pain. Knock it off, idiots.
The two cats, son.
I know.
Tommy said cinnamon is good for you. I bet you guys know.
Good for your heart.
Good for your heart. And then Tommy said put on everything, like coffee.
Well, you don't put on everything. You put a little bit every day. Put in your coffee, it's nice green. Coffee, nice flavor.
And also, guys, what else do I have to say?
And it helps your heart.
We're here in the morning and I'm editing and he is beside me. And I'm just singing like this while the camera is off. Tinky linky tinky ting na bong pitoy. No! Tuy na pipitoy ki tinky linky ting. Tinky linky ting. People said, oh my god, you are lucky because Tommy didn't get annoyed. Sometimes guys, he get annoyed when if he's doing something in his computer and you do that, he'll get annoyed. But doing this, no. He loves it. I baby him so much. Tinky linky tinky, tinky linky ting. Rukti rukmi tika, Humpty Humpty bug. What? Dimple dimple.
That's why we have 2 cats and 2 dogs, so she can do that to them.
I do that to them often. And it's already 7:54. That means we have to get change. We have to change. Drop her off, and later on I have to go somewhere to pick up the kid. I make it hola, 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 hola. I have a favorite song, guys. I don't know. I'm just wearing the same thing, guys. It's just what's going on with the roof over there? I think the roof is.
My brush is in your car.
Hmm?
You don't have your key with you, do you? This is a crack.
Oops, slow down, baby, right? We're going home. No, we're just coming back from the dropping her off, and then we are just. Oh, where is my $9? He has a CVS $4. The other one that I recorded is already $9 from CVS. I'm gonna use it.
I didn't look at it. She just told me it was $9. I just assumed she's right.
Did he say that? When did you go there anyway?
I had to go to your car.
Card? I thought you got a card from the back already.
Where?
The back in the car in this car in the back
your
seat.
card's not back there. Isabel's card is back there, and Mom's card is back there. Yeah.
Okay. You're not. Oh,
Little squirrel.
the squirrel. Hi guys, we're back. I've just been editing, guys. I've just been editing the video, and yeah, I'm gonna get ready because I'm going to pick up my nephew, that little guy. I'm going to pick him up from his school. He has a half day today, so I'm gonna pick him up early. I'm just finishing the pancake that I had this morning. Every time I eat pancake, you know what I remember? I always remember my aunt who died 2015, because she always made yung ano sa mais, guys, yung corn. What? Yung the corn that you grind it really tiny, and then we called it poto. So it's kind of dessert kind of thing. And this taste, it reminds me of the poto that she always made before when I was in elementary. So I always remember, every time I eat pancake, I always remember her. Reminds me of her. Well, it's not really bad when you put apple. I thought it was gonna be really bad, but it's good though. Okay, I'm gonna get changed. Oh well, I'm just gonna wear this one. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna pick him up anyway. Anyway, guys, I'm not bringing you over there because it's his color. Tommy's car, the white one, is blocking on my black car. So I'm gonna ask him if I can use his car because he's still in the shower anyway. Probably we get here 11 something. He left 12 something. I'm gonna ask him. It's 15 minutes, so that means 11:30 we're gonna be here. I told Tommy, guys, that I'm gonna use the white car, so I'm gonna use the white car. And I don't know if I told you, last night I cut my finger. So cutting my fingers last night, it reminds me of to bring a lot of bandage to go to the other house, because next week I'm going to do gardening, and just in case I'm gonna cut my finger, I have bandage and I bring few of them from this house because there's a lot here. And also, guys, remember, guys, that last year I did gardening in my house, and then poison ivy all over my body. Like, it's an oil from the plant that it's attacking you. It's itching like crazy, and it's all over my body because every time I itch my arm and then I touch the other part of my body, it's like itch like all over the place. It transfer. So this time I'm gonna be careful. I have to wear gloves. I have to wear, you know, like long sleeve. So that's what I'm gonna do, because next week is the gardening time, because it's a nice day. So today, right now, I'm gonna go run out to get my nephew out from the school, and I wanna be there early because it's a lineup. I just need my car key. Oh, I just bring the car key, the house key, and my license. So anyway, guys, I will see you later. I will be right back. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna upload a video because my nephew here, it makes my hair curly. Did you found things? You said you bring one. Oh, you use grandma's stuff over there. Oh no, mine is charging though. How many % do you have in your iPad? How many % do you have over there that you need to charge it? Is it dead, as in dead?
36.
You're going to work, baby.
Yeah.
Do you want to bring some sandwich?
Remember, I'm gonna be late tonight, so.
What kind of late? That's a big...
3 and 6.
How much?
3 and 6.
From CVS, guys, free money. It's not really... It's not free money. This is because you spend something like $3.06. So I'm gonna use it. I think it's time for me to get another memory card, because every time I video and then it's always says that memory card error. It always, and if, for example, if I capture a quick moment with Tommy and I, with the animals, and then it's memory error, that's gone. So I'm gonna go also CVS later to use the receipt that we have, and I'm gonna use it because we always have a quick expiration, so that's why we do it. I wanna do it quick. And before that, because we're gonna pick her up very soon too, I'm gonna have some lunch. The kid have lunch already with macaroni and cheese. Simo. Guys, we're just watching horror movie. Well, actually, it's just me, because he doesn't want to watch this scary movie.
I'm too scared.
Yeah, but you're listening. Oh, the title of this show, guys, is, what is this, Thomas?
Finders Keepers.
Yeah, Finders Keepers, and it's kind of really scary. It's about the doll. Come here, let's find something. Do you want some makeup?
See you later.
Do you want some makeup? I'm gonna find the for makeup. Okay, guys, we're here at CVS. So, okay, where you going? Looking for that eyebrow. Okay, fine. This is it. How much is this? There's no price. $9. I'm looking for my nephew, guys. I can't find him. Come here. Where you found that? What is that?
What is it?
Okay, cat size.
King
Okay.
size.
We're done?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just came out from the shower, but look at me, guys. I'm still I'm still wearing the same thing. I'm still wearing the same thing.
And I'm definitely wearing the same thing because I didn't take a shower at all.
Yeah. If it's not dirty, I'll bring it in the shower. But guys, I just thank goodness I blow dry my hair or else. It's really windy right now. It's cold, so it's kind of chilly out here. We're going to the park. But look at the cloud, guys.
Walking down here and I saw when I had to be...
Is that a new shoes, Samas? It's very orangey. I have white.
Bigger than yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is really small and yours. Look at yours.
What size are you?
This one?
Yeah.
It's 5. Okay guys, it's really windy. I hope it won't rain. Because if it's rain, we have to run back home. And then I don't want my camera be wet. Bewitched.
Get in your pocket.
So cute squirrel. Oi. Ay, there's a lot of squirrel over there guys. I'm gonna film the squirrel right now guys. So, and then I'm gonna do time lapse. Let's see. You want me to push you?
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by. Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely nights? Oh, why? Why do I get myself? Why do I get myself caught up in these lonely
Hi guys, I am here on my laptop's camera because I'm gonna do insert shout out, but my camera is, the SIM card is having a problem, and yeah, it's having problem, and then it's crazy because not the camera, it's the SIM card itself. I can't even hit the record button anymore. It's just can't hit it. It's like memory card error, memory card error, memory card error. So shout out to Julie. She's in the Philippines. Hi Julie, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Sheena Marie Kiambao. Hi, thank you for watching. And shout out to Christy Dalugpo. Hi, thank you for watching, Christy. And also shout out to Jocelyn Palomo. Hi, thank you all guys. Thank you guys, all of you guys who are watching right now. Thank you from the both of you, from here. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Guys, I'm freezing. We need to go home. Look, the wind is really crazy, guys. So we need to go home. Are you not cold? No. You're lucky you have your hoodie. I don't know, my ear is hurting right now. Did you hear? What did you hear?
Styles for every outfit. We need more places to go.
What?
Women's shoes starting at $19.99, kids starting at $9.99. It feels good to pay less.
Love. I got it.
He left
It's
me.
being there when you're needed most.
Anyway guys, I'm just watching on my iPad
It's meant to be.
the
And love
originals.
always keeps you safe.
I'm watching the originals. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog because it's gonna be really late, so I'm not gonna wait for him. So anyway guys, I thank you guys so much for watching. It's nothing much vlog for today, so I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Good night guys, good night.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Hey,
you
monkey.
for my beauty